Experiencing constant disconnections with your YouView box? You're not alone. Around 15 to 20% of users report these connectivity issues, with problems peaking during evening hours when everyone's streaming. The most common causes include Wi-Fi signal interference from other devices, power management glitches where your box goes to sleep and won't wake up properly, network address conflicts, and router compatibility issues. Let's start with immediate Wi-Fi fixes. First, try switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel. If you're on the 2.4 GHz band, channels 1, 6, or 11 are your best options as they don't overlap with each other. If your YouView box supports it, move to the 5 GHz band for a potentially more stable connection. Also ensure there's a clear line of sight between your router and YouView box for the strongest signal. Keep your YouView box away from devices that cause interference, such as microwaves, baby monitors, and other electronics that operate on the same 2.4 GHz frequency. Finally, a simple router restart can resolve many temporary glitches. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the router's memory and often fixes connectivity issues immediately. These quick fixes resolve many common YouView disconnection issues. Try switching Wi-Fi channels, moving to 5 GHz if available, ensuring clear line of sight, avoiding interference sources, and restarting your router when problems occur. For the most stable YouView connection possible, nothing beats a direct Ethernet cable connection to your router. This eliminates Wi-Fi interference and provides consistent, reliable internet access. If running an Ethernet cable isn't practical, powerline adapters offer an excellent alternative. These devices use your home's electrical wiring to create a network connection. Choose models with speeds of 1,000 megabits per second or higher for best performance. Quality of service settings in your router can prioritize your YouView box traffic. Access your router's admin panel and look for QoS or traffic prioritization settings. Add your YouView box using its MAC address to ensure it gets priority bandwidth. Keeping firmware updated is crucial for stability. Check for updates on both your router and YouView box regularly. Router manufacturers often release updates that improve streaming device compatibility and fix connectivity bugs. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your YouView box. However, be aware that this will erase all your settings, recordings, and preferences. Only use this option when all other solutions have failed. Finally, some internet service providers have specific settings that can help. BT users should enable Smart Setup in their BT Hub Manager for optimized YouView performance. Sky users may want to disable the Sky Boost feature, as it can sometimes interfere with streaming devices.